we got some pallets. They're the same kind of pallets, cutting them down the middle using 2x4s and deck screws to hold it all together. You can use your creativity. It only took us about an hour and a half to cut all these up. You need a Skil saw, a Sawzall, a drill, and some screws. That's pretty much all we needed. So anybody can do this. There are many different kinds of pallets out there. Find similar pallets. So we cut these in half, as you can see, and I've probably talked it all through with you, but here's a closer look at it. So we've got these anchored here in the ends, so that'll keep the walls from folding out. Here in the middle, I've seen other videos where they need a brace somewhere in there, so I think we'll put a couple more 2x4 braces on the bottom, just so it doesn't feel like coming out, but it's really, really strong. Let's just to show you. I mean, it's really strong. We've got screws on the sides, anchoring from 2x4 to 2x4, and we had to put in some extra posts here so you can get a closer look at the smaller screws that we put in through these boards. We used 3" for the 2x4 to 2x4 connections and 1 1/4 inch for the panel to the 2x4. So it's on a nice hard surface. We're gonna line it with plastic. We're gonna fill it with dirt. Now that we have some planting soil, you don't want to get the wrong kind of dirt. You want planting dirt. There's a lot more compost to it. We have dirt in there. We have some plants. This is early June of 2022. We've got 2x4s connecting it. We're using screws to hold the 2x4s together. This is a fiber filter blanket. It's not plastic. We did not use plastic. It dries out pretty quick with this. I think we probably could have or maybe should have used plastic, but then you might have too much moisture holding in there. This turned out to be pretty good. We water it every day or every other day. Just douse it with lots of water. If you use a filter blanket, there's lots of air passing through the boards. But we have screws at an angle holding them together, almost like pocket screws. This is just one way to do it, but you could use your creativity and try your own way. As you can see, it's coming along quite well. We've got some new plants in there. It's mid-June or late June, so it's just around the summer solstice. And these guys have been in here since the beginning of June. These guys just got planted. This was planted in the beginning of June as well. So a couple weeks and we've got lots of growth. And these things, these pallet boxes are holding up really, really well. Nice, strong, and sturdy. And as a little side, we did not support that in the middle underneath, so it's not necessary. When we filled this in, we put in logs and dirt, and this dirt is planting dirt. So I hope that helps you guys build your own pallet planter boxes.